In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon and framer in just 5 minutes. This is a crucial step if you're looking to personalize or brand your website, as the favicon is that tiny icon you see in the browser tab beside your site's name. It's those little details that can make all the difference in creating a professional online presence. First things first, open your browser and simply search for Framer. Enter their site and log in using your credentials. It's essential to be logged in to access your projects and make any necessary changes. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project where you want to change the favicon. With your project open, direct your attention to accessing the site settings. This task is straightforward. You can click the Open Settings button, or alternatively, find the right-hand panel and click on General. Both ways will take you to the same settings page. Now that you're in the general settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Site Images. This area is where you will manage all image-related settings for your site, including that very important favicon. Next, within the Site Images section, look for the option labeled Favicon. You've arrived at the heart of the matter. This is the point where you actually get to switch up that little image in the browser tab. Now, to change the favicon, click the Upload button beside it. This action will prompt a window to open, allowing you to select your desired favicon image file from your computer. It's generally recommended to use a PNG file format for quality and compatibility, though other formats should work as well. After you've chosen and uploaded your new favicon, remember that one last essential step: publishing your site. Until you do this, the changes won't be live to the public. By publishing, you're ensuring that anyone who visits your website will see your new, polished favicon as a part of your brand identity. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the favicon on your Framer project. It's a relatively simple process, but a vital one for making your site stand out and look cohesive. Whether you're using a custom design or a logo, having a unique favicon is a great way to establish a memorable touchpoint for your visitors. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more tutorials for enhancing your website's appearance and functionality.